What is going on, Kaspa community? What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video in which I'm going to share and tell you guys how you can prepare yourself to be able to mint and basically buy the new KRC20s that are coming out on Kaspa, which no one knows exactly when, but we know that it's going to be this month, right, when mainnet comes out. And I'm going to show you step by step how you prepare yourself, how you send your funds and everything so you can be able to mint it as soon as it gets released. Right now, as far as when it comes out, I'm going to be keeping you guys up to date on my Telegram, which is all free, my Discord, which is all free, and it's on my link tree. Okay, everything's on my link tree, and it's all free, no tiers. So definitely join on there if you want, fast updates and all that. And also, I want to give a shout out here. I don't know if you guys actually came from his channel. I think I have some followers from his channels too. But his name is Cat Daddy Crypto. This guy is an amazing YouTuber here on YouTube, specifically for Kaspa, right? My channel is like all over the place. It's like every coin or a bunch of different coins, but this guy, he does Kaspa only videos and he keeps you guys up to date with everything. So shout out to him. Definitely go check him out. His channel is growing a lot and I'm happy it is. He has over almost 2,000 now, so he's getting there. So definitely check him out if you want to be up to date with all the details for Kaspa. And yeah, shout out to him, Cat Daddy Crypto. Now, to get started with the video, what's the first step, right? What's the first step is to basically buy Kaspa. And the way that you buy Kaspa, guys, are a couple exchanges. There is MEXC, and all of this is in my link tree. Okay, if you want to sign up, they're all on my link tree. It'll help me out, and I think you'll get a discount as well on trading fees. MEXC is one of them. Okay, the other one is Uphold. So for people that are in the United States, I think this is probably the only regulated one that's for the US. Uphold, which you can use my link here. I think you'll get $20 worth of Bitcoin after you trade $100. So check out Uphold. MEXC is one of them. BitGet is one of them as well, and also KuCoin. Okay, but out of all these, the one that's regulated for the US is Uphold. You can also buy on MEXC. I think they're gonna start KYC in about a week. Okay, so all these are great for buying Kaspa, and it just amazes me because Kaspa is still not on Coinbase, it's still not on Binance, on Gemini, on Crypto.com, and it's ranked 25, which is just amazing in my opinion. So Kaspa has come a long way, and the reason why, by the way, is because it's a fair launch crypto, that it's community based. It's not like VC invested. It's not like they have a team, but the team is not in charge of giving these huge exchanges a big amount of their supply, which is this is why all these coins are in these exchanges so quick, because the team or whoever has a big amount of the supply, they give the exchange the supply. Meanwhile, Kaspa, the exchanges have to buy the supply. They have to buy Kaspa in order to be able to get the liquidity for the exchange. So this is why Kaspa has made it this way, so ranked 25, about to pass ICP, and is still not on any tier 1 exchanges. So it's a great thing. So after you buy Kaspa, the next step is to basically get the Casware wallet. Now basically think of this as like a hot wallet, similar to like Phantom for Solana, right? Or the Coinbase wallet, Base wallet, whatever for Base. This is basically what it is. It's a hot wallet that you get on your computer. I think you can use your phone's browser, but just use your computer. You can see right here for Chrome, Brave wallet. So I guess you can use it on your phone if you have any of these on your phone. But yeah, so what you do is when you get this, guys, I'm gonna do it right now because I already have a wallet. You want to basically write down your 24, I think it's 24 or 12. I forget last time, but I believe it's either 24 or 12 seed phrase, and you want to write it down at least 3 times. I know it's tedious, but you want to write it down physically. You don't want to you do not want to take a screenshot, store it on a computer or a wallet or something like that. Okay, so that's what you want to do here with the Kasware wallet, because this wallet is where we're sending our Kaspa to. All right, so after, let me just get this here real quick. All right, so this is how it should look like right here. Okay, I don't know if you can see that real quick. Let me get it again. This is how it should look like right over here. Boom, right there. So the next step is to send Kaspa to this wallet, because this wallet is the gateway towards minting the KRC20s. And basically, the way that you send it, it's very, I'm pretty sure you guys send crypto before. You got to make sure it's on the I'm pretty sure there's only one network when you're sending Kaspa for many of these coins, and that's Kaspa, the Kaspa network. So you send Kaspa from Uphold, from XC, on the Kaspa network to this wallet, not my wallet, but the wallet that says right here. The best way to do is to press right here, see copy and paste, and then after you copy and paste it, make sure you don't have to go one letter by letter, but just make sure that the beginning and the ending is at least the same exact thing, right? Because this is the most important thing, because you can lose your crypto if you put in just one word wrong. So you want to copy and paste, make sure it's right, and then you send it to here. Then it's going to show the amount of Kaspa that you have, right? And then great, congrats, you got Kaspa on your Kasware wallet. That's the second step. And then the third step is going to rely on when the KRC20s come out. And I'm going to keep you guys up to date, but I know for sure that when they come out, you got to go here to the second page. You see this one right here, the second icon right here, the middle icon. This is going to be where you basically mint your KRC20s. It says no data right now because the mainnet's not out. But when it comes out, this is going to be where you basically, when you connect to somewhere, it's going to show, where, to mint that KRC20. All right. So this is the page where you're going to mint it basically. But these are the three steps. The third step is you're still not able to do because the KRC20s have to come out. But you want to do these first two steps right now, guys, because once it comes out, right, you'll be fast. You wouldn't have to wait to send Kaspa and all that. It's just boom, it's already on your wallet. You can mint, and you're already ready to go. So that's what you want to do, that ASAP, as soon as possible, because it's this month. It's not like it's next or the next 2 months. It's this month, and it's gonna be huge. So you want to do that. And the last thing to talk about here, guys, is probably one of the most important thing is the fact that you want to get the Tangem wallet. And I have a link here on my link tree, the Tangem wallet, which you'll get a decent discount. And I'll tell you why you want to get the Tangem wallet. So if you use my link, boom, you come right here, get Tangem, and it'll show you the discount, which is pretty good, right? It goes from $70 to like $62, a pretty decent discount for 3 cards, which I recommend the 3 cards because it's more security. And the reason why you want to get Tangem is because Tangem, they support Kaspa. They're one of the few cold storage wallets that support Kaspa. Trezor doesn't, and Ledger still doesn't. Tangem does. Now, if you're still like kind of iffy on Tangem, you don't know if they're secure or not, look, Tangem, they have a 24-word seed phrase option now. They used to have only 12-word. They have 24-word seed phrase option, which I would highly recommend you choose when you get the Tangem wallet, because you want to have that option to have the seed phrase. All right, because if you lose all 3 cards, you have that 24-word seed phrase at least. So Tangem is very secure. You can look into it. The chip and everything, very secure, and it's very good quality. The wallet, it's great quality. So I definitely recommend Tangem, and they support Kaspa, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna be supporting the KRC20s as well, because if they support Kaspa, then they're definitely gonna support the KRC20s too. So yeah, highly recommend Tangem. Just make sure to use get the 24-word seed phrase option, and be very responsible. Write it down, 3-4 times, whatever. Keep it physically, and obviously secure the cards. You want to have the cards in different places. It's like decentralization, right? You want to have the cards not in a central place, in different places that you can remember, because to access your crypto, all you need is 2 cards, by the way. So if someone finds 2 of your cards, they can access your crypto. That's why that's basically how Tangem works. So the reason why you want the Tangem for Kaspa is because Kasware is your gateway to the KRC20s. This is not where you're going to be storing all your Kaspa or even your KRC20s if you're looking to hold long term. The reason why is because cold storage wallets are way more secure than hot wallets. Hot wallets, if you just click a bad link, boom, they can access your crypto. In a way, I would even say exchanges like top tier exchanges like Coinbase, or they're more secure because they're a top tier exchange, so the odds of them going bankrupt is very unlikely, and they're not as basically vulnerable as these hot wallets, in which you gotta really watch out what you're clicking, right? So you want to look at this as a gateway wallet, not where you're going to store a lot of Kaspa. Your Tangent wallet, your cold storage wallet, this is where you're going to be storing most of your Kaspa. And then when you're ready to sell, right at the peak of the bull market, you're ready to sell, maybe Kaspa's $5, $3 or whatever, that's when you send it to an exchange from your cold storage wallet. So that's the mindset you want to have. And of course, guys, I have it all in my link tree. Remember my Telegram, Discord, all free. The Tangent wallet, big discount. Mexi, Uphold, you'll get $20 for Bitcoin. If you use Uphold, Mexi, you'll get super lower trading fees in all of them. So definitely check it out on my link tree. I'll leave all the links below, as well as the link here for Kasware, the official link, by the way. Make sure it's the official link. Make sure it says Kasware.xyz. So thank you guys so much for watching. For all the new people that are in the Kaspa community that found my channel, thank you for being a part of my channel and finding it. And I'm going to keep you guys up to date with Kaspa, as well as many other altcoins that I'm bullish on. So thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys in the